iPhone SE. I decided to upgrade an iPhone 8, to be precise my mom's iPhone 8, with the new iPhone SE. Since the Apple Store just reopened yesterday or the day before in Germany, I ordered this one in the mail. It came today, so just gonna have a real quick unboxing and first impressions, and yeah. So you get this quite big package, and then inside you got the iPhone. Which model did I get? I got the iPhone SE Black 64 gigabyte. I only went with 64 instead of anything bigger, since we all use the iCloud family plan in my family. The most thing video-wise, music-wise is all streamed. The rest is in the cloud. So the way Apple manages, it's really nice. So I would advise 64 gig is well enough for most people if you have good internet or LTE. Yeah. Safety. Apple seal. I like it. It's amazing. It's pretty much like every other iPhone, iPad. Just gonna see. So you have the little paper thingy where you have two white Apple stickers. Would be cool if they would be black, since the phone is in black, but anyways, you have this little gym card tool in here. Then you have the actual phone. Ooh, they removed all those regular labels, whatever you call them. I don't know if that's worldwide, but at least for Germany it seems to be the case, or Europe, I assume. So it looks a bit cleaner on the back right now. If you take it off, I don't know if you see it, but it's not like you see it because it's always in the case anyway. In my case, it's really nice. It's black. It's a matte black finish with gloss black on the back. I think it's quite nice. The weight is, well, I would say like the iPhone 8 weight. And then what's in the box? You have that's the European one, in case the Americans are confused. Never use it, just always leave it in the box. I use the USB-C one lately with the Lightning to USB-C for fast charge or wireless charge. You have your normal earbuds, you have your normal USB-A to Lightning cable. All this usually stays in the box for me. Just put the paper bag in. I think it's pretty nice. It's almost like iPhone 8, and one of the reasons why I went with the iPhone SE is the performance is more than enough for, like I said, for my mom. So you could say it's a great beginner iPhone if you haven't had one, or if you just want to upgrade. I'm currently rocking the iPhone XS Max, which I'm filming with. So I'm used to this whole OLED screen now, but since, you know, if you're not used to it, or you say you don't really need it, I think what you get with the iPhone SE for 400 bucks plus taxes, or it was 479 euros in Germany, including 19% sales tax. I think it's a pretty good bang for the buck. Just power it on. I'm just gonna take the paper off. It doesn't, you know, when you have Apple products and they smell like Apple products, like there's actually a candle made by Charles South. This one doesn't smell like an Apple product. That's a bit disappointing, but okay. Just gonna turn it on first time. Trying to share the first, well, I'm trying to turn it on. There we go. Like I mentioned, I went with the black one. It's always in the case, so why not? And right now the iPhone 8, this is gonna replace this black too, so it looks almost identical. Just wait for it to boot up. First boot, I guess. And there we go. Press home to open. Hola. Region. Choose language. Yeah, it is exactly like the iPhone 8, the way it looks like, the way it feels. Well, obviously it's the same iOS running right now. Yeah. I will see if I get some performance difference between iPhone 8 and this one. This will be a follow-up video. It's just going to be like 3-4 minutes, I guess. But right now, I'm just gonna do the quick start, copy the old phone to the new phone, and yeah, that's it. I think it's quite nice. Like I said, there's less stuff on the back. There's only the CE, and apparently you shouldn't throw it in the trash. Well, I guess it's because it's electronic. You shouldn't throw it in normal household trash, but it seems a bit funny to me, honestly, that there's a don't throw it in a trash can, because who would throw a brand new iPhone in the trash? But yeah, that's it. Like I said, I think for a beginner's iPhone, or your parents' iPhone, if you go with the 64GB iPhone SE, it's a really good price to performance ratio, considering their normal iPhones cost $1,000 and up.